Hey guys, I will be showing you how to build a fire alarm. See how it looks? Let's get building. So the materials you are going to need is oak planks, redstone, piston, TNT, redstone lamp, a redstone repeater, redstone comparator, and I think a lever. So, you're going to build a 1x12 line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then build up 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I meant 3. Then put in the rest of the layers. Then put a lever there. Put a redstone piece there, a redstone comparator, put it on subtract mode. Then put a redstone repeater, set it on 2-tick delay. Then put a redstone lamp there. Connect the redstone lamp. 2 more. Then build that one up. Then, I forgot to get something. Need green wool, or lime if you will. I'll put that block on later. Then put 2 blocks here. Put the piston here and the TNT block on it. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I meant 3. And build 2 more. So that's 14 total for the wall. Then put 2 blocks, then place another wall, and then connect that redstone there. Now, the last thing you'll need is a note block. Place note blocks on those, then set this one to red and keep that one regular. Hold on. Then we're ready to test. Pull the lever. This is March time. I don't know how to put it on code 3. See how it's pushing up the TNT? It's not gonna blow up because the redstone said not connected to it. Well, that was fun. I built some other ones, which are right over here by my lucky block that I was working on. So I built 3 types of fire alarms. Prototype number 1 is Phaeton, which is emergency. Hold down. These ones are all on raspberry. This is on one tone, prototype number 2, which is a fire alarm. That one was on continuous. And this is alert, prototype number 3, 2-tone. Alright, now I'm gonna pause the video.
Couldn't have done that.